tide, I could see the midnight sun. I can't explain the silver rain that found me. Or was that a moonlit veil? The music of the universe around me. Or was that a night in gale? A night in gale. And then your arms miraculously found me. Suddenly the sky turned pale. I could see the midnight sun. It's a thrill I still don't quite believe. But after you were gone, there was still some stardust on my sleeve. Stardust on my sleeve. The flame of it may dwindle to an ember, and the stars and the stars and the stars will get to shine, and we may see the meadow in December. I say white and crystal wine. But oh, my darling, always I remember when your lips were close, when your lips were close to mine.